Now, hello class.
Hello, sir.
This morning we'll be looking at the topic squares and square roots. Squares and square roots. We'll be taking this topic from GSS 2 Masters book. GSS 2 Masters book. Just open at page 8. Page 8. You'll see the topic squares and square roots. Let's look at the first case, case A. It says find the square root of the following. Before I do that, now, for example, you have these values of squares and their square roots. Like 1 square is what? 1. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square,
16.
5 square,
25.
6 square,
26.
7 square,
49.
remove all through to 15 square,
205.
16 square,
256.
17 square,
289.
18 square,
324.
19 square,
361.
20 square.
400.
The same thing, these values, the square root will give you the values, this first value here. So if I have square root of 1 is what? 1, square root of 4, 2, square root of 19, square root of 16, 4, square root of 25, 5, square root of 36, 6, square root of 49, 7. The same thing all through, square root of 289 is what? 17. Square root of 324, 18. Square root of 361, 19. Square root of 400 is what? 20. Now, we want to find the square root of the following. There are some values you cannot memorize. And so, we want to find the square root without using calculator. Let's look at the following. If you say find the square root of the following, 484 without using calculator. 1,764, 3,025. How do we run this? Well, we'll find their factors. We'll find their what? Factors. Look at the first one. Number 1. I'll find the square root of 484. So we're going to find the factors of 484. What's the smallest divisible number that can go? 2. 2 in 4.
2.
In 8.
4.
In 4.
2.
What can go?
11.
2. 2 in 2.
1.
In 4.
2.
In 2.
1.
What can go?
11.
11 in 1, 2, 1.
11.
What can go? 11, 1.
2.
So the factors will give us what?
2 times 2 times 11 times 11.
This has a pair, so our answer will be take one of it times this has a pair. 11. So 2 times 11 is what? 22. So the square root of 484 is 22. The square of 22 is what?
484.
Let's look at the next example, number 2. Example 2 says find the square root of 1,764. You're going to find the factors of 1,700. Let's see. 1,764. What's the smallest divisible value that can go? 2. 2 in 1 impossible. Join it. 2 in 17. 8. Remainder 1. In 16. 8. In 4. 2. What can go? 2 in 8.
4.
2 in 8.
4.
2 in 2.
1.
What can go?
3.
3 in 4. 1 remainder 1. So 3 in 14.
4.
That's 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So you have 4. Remainder what? 2. 3 in 21. 7. What can go now?
3.
3 in 1 impossible. 3 in 14.
4.
4. That's 4 times 3 is 12. So that's 4. Remainder 2. In 27.
9.
3 in 27. 9. What can go in 49?
7.
7 in 49.
7.
What can go again?
7.
7 in 7.
1.
Write out the factors. So the factors gives us what? 2 times 2
times 3 times 3 times 7 times 7.
Now our answer will give us this has a pair, take one of it, 2, times this has a pair, 3, times this has a pair, 7. I'll do the last one. The last one they have is what? Example 3. I'll find the square root of 3,025. Let's go and find the factors of 3,025. What's the smallest divisible value that can go? 5. 5 in 3 impossible. Imagine 5 in 30. 6. 5 in 2 impossible. You write what?
0.
Imagine 5 in 25.
5.
What can go?
5.
5 in 6. 1. Remember what? 1. In 10. 2. In 5. 1. What can go? 11. So 11 in 1 to 1.
11.
What can go?
11.
11.
1.
Write out the factors. You have what?
5 times 5 times 11 times 11.
Your answer will now be this has a pair. Take one of it, 5. This has a pair, and that's what? 11. 5 times 11 is what?
55.
Any magic here?
No, sir.
No. So the square root of 3,025 is what? 55. While the square of 55 times 55 is what? 3,025. Any problem?
No, sir.
Now I go to case 2. Case 2. Second case. Beast. It says, what must be added to make the following a perfect square? What must be added? What must be added to make the following a perfect square? So one look at these following values from our textbook on exercise 1J. You see some examples there. So I want to pick some few examples. I have 540. I have 405. I have 252. Now let's run. What must be added? Is 540 a perfect square? If you punch it in your calculator, it's not a perfect square to give you decimals. So what do? We want to look for the value that is missing or can be multiplied to make it a perfect square. So what do? Take the first one. Still go and find the what's it called? The factors of it. Let's find the factors of 540. What is the smallest value that can go? 2. 2 in 5. 2 in 14. 7. In 0. What can go? 2 in 2. 1. In 7. 3. 1. In 10. 5. What can go? 3. Let's try 3. 3 in 13. That's 4. That's 12. Remember 1. In 15. 5. What can go? 3. You can still go. 3 in 45. 15. What can go? 3. 3 in 15. 5. What can go? 5. 5 in 5. 1. Write out. Spell out your values. Factors are 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Now the values. This has a pair. This has a pair. This has no pair. This has no pair. So I have 3 times 5. And our answer is what? 15. So what must be multiplied to 540? 15 must be multiplied to 540 to make the perfect square. I take on the other one. Let me take the second one. What must be multiplied to 405 to make the perfect square? Find the factors of 405. What can go? 3. 3 in 4. 1. Another 1. In 10. 3. That's 9. Another 1. In 15. 5. What can go? 3. 3 in 13. 4. Another 1. In 15. 5. What can go? 3 in 4. 1. In this 5. What can go? 3 in 15. 5. What can go? 5 in 5. 1. Write out your factors. You have what? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. And eventually, this has a pair, this does not. So my answer is what? Just 5. 5 must be multiplied to 405 to make it a perfect square. Any magic there?
No, sir.
No, let's go. I go to the third case. Third case, please. We move on to the third case now. Straight, we want to find the value of the following. We have it already. Find the square root of 4 over 25. Find the square root. The first one says find the square root of 4 over 25. I think number 1. Square root of 4 over 25. Straight. What's square root of 4? 2. What's square root of 25? 5. That's 2 over 5. That's our answer. Any problem here?
No, sir.
No. We take on the second one. It says find the square root of 4 over 9. The square root of 4 over 9 will give us what?
2 over 3.
2 over 3. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is what? 3. That's 2 over 3. Any problem?
No, sir.
No. We take on the third one. It says find the square root of 8 over 18. Find the square root of 8 over 18. What's square root of 8? Is 8 a perfect square?
No.
Is 18 a perfect square? No. How do you do this? How do you resolve this? You find a number that can divide both values, both the numerator and the denominator. What number can divide both? 2. And that gives me, I still have it in square root. 2 in 8, 4. 2 in 18, 9. I've not looked for the square root, so I still have my square root box there. So, what's the square root of 4? 2. What's the square root of 9?
3.
Any problem here?
No, sir.
Now let's run. Number 4. I'll find the square root of 27 over 48. You ask yourself, is 27 a perfect square?
No.
Is 48 a perfect square? No. So what number can go in both, can divide both? So you won't use 2 there in the denominator and use 3 to divide the numerator. No. The same number will go in both. Let's see. Can 2 go? 2 can go here, but 2 cannot go here. Let's use 3. 3 can go in both. So I still have my divisible sign. 3 in 27.
9.
3 in 48.
16.
16. Now both 9 and 16 are perfect squares.
Yes.
What's the square root of 9?
3.
What's the square root of 16?
4.
4. I take on question number 5. It says find the square root of this mixed fraction. One on number 9 over 16. We can't resolve a mixed fraction, so we change to improper fraction. My divisible sign is still there. 16 times 1.
16.
16 plus 9.
25.
That's 25 over 16. So both are now perfect squares. What's the square root of 25?
5.
5. What's the square root of 16?
4.
4. Your answer must be in the form of the question. The question was in mixed fraction. So your answer, please convert back to mixed fraction. So 4 and 5. 1. Remainder 1 over 4. Now let's look at question number 6. It says find the square root of 2 number 1 over 4. What do we do first? Change the mixed fraction to what? Improper fraction. So our square root sign, not the visible rather. Square root sign is still there. Now 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. That's 9 over 4. And from here, square root of 9 is what?
3.
Square root of 4 is what? 2. Our final answer is what? 2 and 3.
1 over 2.
Any magic here?
No, sir.
Thank you. That's the end of the class for today. But my assignment is GSS 2 Masters book. You will go to exercise assignment. Let me write it in a small space here. GS2 Masters book. GS2 Masters book. That's New General Mathematics. New GSS2 textbook. New General Maths. You have exercise 1I. Exercise 1I. You will solve number 29 and 30. Numbers 29, 30. You as well go to exercise 1J. Exercise 1J. You solve question number 12 and 13. 12 and 13. You as well go to exercise 1K. Exercise 1K. You solve question numbers 4, 8, 15. 4, 8, 15. Thank you. See you in the next class. Have a